Hi children, today we are going to learn 7th standard measurements exercise 2.1 objective type questions 6th one. The perimeter of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter is. So it is a parallelogram, the adjacent sides are 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter. To find the perimeter we'll add all the sides, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus AD, that is 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5 gives you 22 centimeter. Since it is parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. So if it is 6, it is 6. If it is 5, here it is 5. Therefore, the perimeter is 22 centimeter. Fourth one is your answer. Next is your second sum. The area of a parallelogram whose base is 10 meter and height is 7 meter. So base is given 10 meter, height is given 7 meter. So we know that area of a parallelogram is base into height, that is 10 into 7, 70 meter into meter, meter square. So 70 meter square or square meter. First one is your answer. Your eighth question. The base of the parallelogram with area is 52 square centimeter, height is 4 centimeter. Yes. Area is given 52, height is given 4, but we doesn't know the value of base. So area means 52. The formula for area is base into height equal to 52. We doesn't know the value of base. Base into 4 equal to 52. Our aim is to find the value of base. So height is in the terms of multiplication. When taken to other side becomes division. 4 divides 52 13 times. So the base value is 13 centimeter. Third one is your answer. Next is your ninth sum. What happens to the area of a parallelogram if the base is increased 2 times and the height is half? So let us draw one parallelogram. The adjacent sides are 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter. According to the question, it is given base is increased 2 times. Now let us find the area of this parallelogram. 6 4s are 24. Let it be. Base into height. Base into height. So this is 4 centimeter. So base into height. First we'll find the area of this. 6 into 4 gives you 24. Now we'll increase this base by 2 times. Already it is 6. If I increase by 2 times, 6 2s are 12 is your new base. And half of the height. Height is half. It is given. So half of the height 4 is 2. Now the new height is 2. Now let us find the area of the new parallelogram. 12 into 2, 24. You see that both are same. So if the base is increased 2 times and height is half, you remains the same. Both area is same. You see this parallelogram value, area of parallelogram is 24 centimeter square. The newly changed parallelogram is also 24 cm. What we have done, if we increase the base twice and if we halved the height also, you will get the same value. So it remains the same. You can give any numbers and you can find the answer. 10th question. In a parallelogram, the base is 3 times its height. If the height is 8 centimeter, then the area is. So this is a parallelogram. Height is given 8 centimeter. Base is given as 3 times height. 3 times height means 3 into height. 3 into height value is 8. 8 3s are 24. Therefore, the value of base is 24. We know that area is base into height. So, base value is 24 into height value is 8. 24 into 8, 192 centimeter square. So, second one is your answer. Thank you, children.